Hi, Happy. In this issue, my tenant is unsubscribed, and the same case is with the locked the tenant with the locked status. If I try to subscribe by adding new payment method, so the current integration is authorize.net. I'm going to add a Visa card that I'm taking from the Sandbox Authorize website. Okay. I'll set all the required details. When I try to save it, it is giving me an error, record cannot be found. I tried with all the cards, all the available cards, whether it's Visa or MasterCard. For all the cards, I'm getting this error. The record cannot be found. However, this works when I try to sign up to the new tenant and use this same card for the subscription. So this one I just created and subscribe with the same card. But the tenants with the lock status and unsubscribe status, when I try to add these new cards and subscribe, it is giving me an error. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.